good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. We are cooking rice with my dog. My dog doesn't want rice, only me. Sabon, sabon, my baby. Maligo ang aking aso. Hugasan ang puwet at pek-pek. Feel cold? Okay, don't worry. Finish. No, no. Right now, tapos na paliguan ang aso ko. I finished shower my dog, guys. So, I prepare our food, vegetable. We cooked today okra. Sit there. Luneng, I don't want to be late. Blood pressure. If you have blood pressure, you can cook. You can eat this one. So that's your blood. Sorry. Even blood pressure, or I think if you have a sugar, this is vitamins. This is for sugar, guys. For sugar. Okay. So today we just cook with this. Okay. And so we can mix it. Also, this is okra. I don't know in English. Okra, but I think okra is English. In Arabic, it's kutsbara. So I need to take little bit from here and cooking. And we make sabaw with my nooning with my dog. We make sabaw. Oh my gosh. Right now, today we are cooking vegetable, guys. Kutsbara, okra. This okra is nice also. It's there for your blood pressure. If you don't have blood, you can eat this one. So everything is good. And this one, guys, I don't know in Philippine name. I don't know this name in Philippine. Depending on my language. I don't know. But this is nice. Sorry. This is nice for sugar, guys. So I just cook with water. Lutuin ko lang siya ng tubig. Then later we eat with rice. My dog doesn't eat that one. I don't know. I will try to give her, but not much salt. Little bit salt because not good for the dog. Salt and oil. Because my dog will be die soon after 13 years. I don't know. Maybe I die first than her. So I need to cut this one. Vegetable is nice for your body, guys. It's make you healthy and beautiful. So just need to remove the skin. Hi nako, my kutsilyo is mapuro. My kutsilyo is mapuro. So I just cook in a plate because I don't have a just remove the skin, guys, because it's not good to cook with skin. Because it's not like okra. Philippine style, just I cook with water. Just something like this. Okay, quiet, Neng. Where you are? Shower. What happened? But when you taste my cook, you will like it. No need to make marriage, guys, because life is too short. You know, when you eat the good food, your life will be short. But when you eat the simple food, your life will be long. So eat vegetable like me. 14 years I stay in Oman, so I eat all the time vegetable to have my skin good and my face good, even I'm not beautiful. Okay. So right now I need to watch this okra later on if the other thing is okay. So I just boiling with my this one, guys. Oh my gosh, I have one only kawali. So I need to put the onion. Aray, and tomato inside. So I let them boiling, and then later I will put a salt, guys. So I need to take maybe have hair of my dog also. Then after I become sick. So I'm not worried because my dog is my dog. So right now I'm boiling this vegetable, and later on I put the another vegetable. So I need to wash this okra, guys. Okra is my favorite. So just wash. It's boiling, guys. Boiling my vegetable. Oh my gosh. My simple vegetable, guys. Inside my vegetable. I need to cover. Now I need to put this dry fish. Put little bit dry fish. So I finished shower, guys. So right now I need to eat lunch before I go to work. Oh my gosh, my kanin, guys. Too much kanin rice. Too much kanin. Okay, so now, oh, my soup vegetable. Guys. May I see my taste? Okra. Okra and gulay. Okra and this one. I forgot what the name this vegetable one. I forgot the name because in Philippines I did not eat this one. Okra, I know because my favorite. Okra, okra. So my dog later I will give okra. I will try to let her eat. Oh my gosh. So now. Masarap. Masarap guys. My dog she wants to eat. Wait, I'm waiting for you egg later on. I will try for her if she like this. Okra, okra. Okra, 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 okra with lemon. I need to put lemon. Look at it. This one dilis paksiw. Wait morning. I forgot to put dilis. No crap. Sabaw. Very nice. I don't want to eat. Wait later. I give her this okra. Wow, eat okra, eat okra. See okra. You eat okra? Just wait. I need to put for her separate make cold. She like it. Just wait, baby Noneng. My dog she like okra also, guys. I need to make for her. That's with me. Okay. My dog thinking I will not feed her. Wait, it's hot. Oh my god. Because my dog cannot wait if I want to give her food. Cannot wait anymore. She like okra also. I don't know if you like this one. One is name, one other vegetable. She don't want that one. Cannot wait. I told you I give you food later. First I first. She cannot wait. My dog she don't eat rice. Vegetables she eat. Oh my gosh. Sabaw is very nice. Yummy. Kaya kain na kayo ng gulay. Pampatibay ng katawan. Pampatibay ng katawan ang gulay every day. Masarap. Masarap, dry. Masarap. Put lemon on the soup. It's so delicious, guys. Oh my gosh. Meaning Mm. May kamay minunin. Okra. We sleep. I sleep 1 o'clock. Oh my god. Good for the skin when you sleep more, guys, you know. Then, for me, I love sleep. And then when you eat fruits and vegetable, it's helping to your skin. If you don't have a vegetable, fish, chicken, or whatever, just cook a vegetable with rice, tomato, and onion is enough. It's good. Tomato is make it tasty your food, guys. Tomato. Ang tomato ay nagpapakinis ng mukha. Hindi ko ba alam? But the seed of the tomato is not good if you eat the seed every day. It's not good for the kidney. Oh. So right now I've done my lunch. So I still have little all tonight. I just eat like this. Just cover like this. Or I need to put in the ref. Cause the crook. Oh my god, I'm too much full. Alhamdulillah. Oh my god, I know what I know. Did that eat your okra? I keep my rice outside, guys, because if I keep in the ref, it's become hard. So tonight when I want to eat rice, so I have my rice. If I finish my work, or I will cook later some another vegetable. So I eat with rice. Rice every day. But actually, guys, the rice make you fat. But don't eat too much. Even you eat 3 times a day rice, but don't eat too much. It's not make your tummy big. Believe me, guys. Oh. So this thing. Other things I keep in the sometimes I eat bread every morning, but now I change my routine.